and money related or anything you just discuss with Karthik. He's a
Sure.
focal point for that. So regarding
Sure.
I didn't meet you before.
Yes.
I Yeah, I have already discussed with Suresh, and I don't know about your background. Where are you from, and what is your experience? I don't know. Can you
Yeah.
please introduce? Can you please give a brief what you have
Yes, sir, sure
experience
thing.
and yeah.
Yeah. So I'm Karthik Sekidurmat, as you know. Actually, I done my engineering in computer science and engineering from Special Engineering College. So after that, I done my masters in global supply chain and management from Nottingham Trent University, United Kingdom. So
Mm-hmm.
after that, sir, I came back to India. So I worked as a logistics coordinator for an year at Carvi Next, Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
So just a month ago, I actually resigned the job because of this pandemic. So actually, I wanted to stay home. So I thought I would make most of this time and learn a new software which would help to boost my career in supply chain logistics. So I opted to SAP Material Management.
So how many experience you told like totally?
1 year, sir. 1 year.
1 year experience. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
as a logistics coordinator.
Okay. Okay. Logistics
Actually,
coordinator.
I Flipkart was our major client, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So I was in the control tower room. So I used to take care of Pan India
Okay.
operations. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your explanation. Actually, my background is I have around 10 years of experience in SAP MM. So
Okay.
more than I completed my engineering in 2006, more than 10 years of experience. So
Okay.
I have experience in logistics, supply chain management, procurement cycle. So
Okay.
like related to all companies. My core stuff is oil and gas company. So I
Okay.
worked in a lot of MNCs like oil and gas related of Shell, Qatar Petroleum. So
Yes.
like that, I worked a lot of oil and gas related platform.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
coming to that background, my scenario is overall a fully in SAP MM role and functional consultant and
Okay.
P2P cycle and lot of discussions regarding we will share I will coming to in future I will explain you detailing. Okay,
Yeah.
Suresh, I will share my screen. This in this meeting, please don't share your video. So
Yeah.
because I need to
Sure.
share entire my PPT, I'm going to explain it.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
uh, please give me the control to me. So because I can access my everything in this video, please
sure.
while explaining, you please keep on mute. The background disturbance will come. So if you have any doubt, you just unmute mute doing like that you can ask the questions.
Yeah. Sure thing.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now Suresh, you please come out from that video. You are in the video call, right, Suresh?
Yes.
You just change it your background so because I can share my screen. So in this entire sessions, we don't no need to have a video session. If you have video session, we will arrange it because I will share my PPT so that you can train with the help of that PPT. I will explain you what are the things and what are the topics in PPTs,
Okay.
and we will discuss with PPT and SAP screen parallelly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now you can able to see the screen now, left
Yes.
desktop.
Yes. Yes.
Suresh, உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nothing but like so Karthik have given already introduction session to you, right? Karthik?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, you know some basic concept what is SAP and
Yeah.
how it's
Yes.
working and what are the
Yeah.
modules are there, how
Modules.
the so
So
the
I know
basic
what is
functionality.
SAP. What are the modules? But I haven't been introduced to the MM. So how does it work from initial?
Okay, so that's the thing because why I'm asking means the basic thing you should know while you are coming to the SAP background. So at
Yeah.
least what is the MM, and why we are going. So a lot of modules are there in SAP system.
Yes.
SAP system application product and data processing. So
Yeah.
basically, you know what are the architectures are there, and how the data are stored, and how we are getting the display, and what are the recent versions in SAP, and what is how what are the other modules, and how we are integrated with EMR. So these
Okay.
things and all, you know. And and another thing is how we are implementing the business scenarios. There is a business scenarios are there. So
Okay.
project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final
Okay.
preparation, go live and support. So
All
these
right.
things and all you should know. So you know, right? Garthik given some training to you, right?
Yeah, a little bit he has actually,
Okay, okay, no
but I
problem.
don't know about the implementation and all, sir.
Sorry.
Implementation and everything, I don't know anything about it, sir. I just know
So
the what is SAP, basic types of
no, no,
SAP.
no. Yeah, I will explain you detailedly
Okay.
with a step-by-step procedure. So
Okay.
once you finish the training, I will share the PPT what we discussed today. Based
Okay.
upon that PPT,
Yeah.
once you get access, you can work
Yeah.
out in that in your SAP screen. Okay.
Yes, sure, sir.
சுரேஷ் உங்களுக்கு வந்து எஸ்ஏபி ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்துச்சு இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிட்டாங்களா?
ஆ ஓகே சார். இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஆனா என்னன்னா, இப்ப வந்து எனக்கு வந்து மொபைல்ல தான் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். லேப்ல இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஆனா ஸ்க்ரீன் வந்து சின்னதா தெரியுது.
ஓகே. லேப்ல இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. பட் வந்து ஸ்க்ரீன் சின்னதா தெரியுதா?
மொபைல்ல நான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஆனா லேப்லயும் காட்டுது. நீங்க ஹாய் மெசேஜ் பண்ண எல்லாம் காட்டுது. பிளஸ் என்னன்னா, இது வீடியோ மட்டும் ஸ்க்ரீன் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. என்னன்னு தெரியல.
இல்ல இல்ல நான் எஸ்ஏபி சொல்றேன். ஆக்சுவலா எஸ்ஏபி.
ஓகே. அது ஆயிடுச்சு சார். நார்மல் சார்.
ஓகே, ஓகே. அதான் கேட்டேன். நீங்க அன்னைக்கு ஆஃபீஸ் வரும்போது ஏதோ சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தீங்கல்ல, எஸ்ஏபி இன்ஸ்டால் ஆகல, ஏதோ ப்ராப்ளமா இருக்குன்னு. அதுதான் கேட்டேன். ஸோ
இல்ல ஓகே. ஃபைன்.
அண்ட் கார்த்திக், யூ ஹேவ் இன்ஸ்டால்டு யுவர் எஸ்ஏபி, ரைட்? பட் யூ
Yes,
ஹேவ் கெட்டிங்
actually, it's
ப்ராப்ளம்.
no, actually, I have downloaded it, but I can't extract the files. I'm not able to extract the files.
So okay, okay. You once you complete the meeting, you just check with Karthik, and he will guide
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, for sure.
What laptop you are having?
HP sir, laptop HP i5
It's a
Core.
1 TB hard disk. Huh? How much size?
Sorry, laptop,
How
laptop, sir.
much size? Hard disk size?
1 TB, sir.
Yeah, 1 TB. Then okay. Once you finish this meeting, you just speak with Karthik, and
Yeah,
he will guide you. Let's because why I'm telling means once we completed this session, you need to
okay.
get start training with your SAP screen. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay. Let me share my screen first. Okay. So it's in share, right? So can you able to see the screen now? Karthik and
No, sir,
Suresh,
actually, I can't see.
you can't
No
able
sir.
to see. Okay, 1 minute. Now,
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes.
the PPT is there. So I have shared
Yes.
every topic. I will prepare a PPT, and based upon that PPT, with the help of me, you can work. So without any assistant. So based on that, I have created the PPT step by step. That
Okay.
step-by-step procedure, if you follow with my PPT, definitely you can create your own setup. So own configuration, what we have, what do you in the PPT. Okay, I have given
Okay, sir.
what and all. Whenever I in between, I will tell you where the error will come. You just make
Yeah.
note of it. So you have with
Okay,
the
sir.
pen and paper with you
Yeah.
while in the discussion. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we will go. Well, today the first session we are going to cover like what is SAP introduction and what is a navigation and what is enterprise structure and what is definition and assignment. So these are all topics we are going to discuss today. So as you know, like there is a no need to forgo much about introduction. So you know about overall of introduction, what is an SAP, and we will go with that slide by slide. So first slide is I'm telling realistically like before and after SAP. So once upon a times there is a no SAP screens and all. So there is a some without doing some functionalities, there is a some books materials, and they with the help of that reference only they will do that before SAP. After SAP, the SAP launched the three layers of database layer, application layer, and presentation layer. So these kind of layers. So once we came into the market, so after SAP, it's totally we are working in a company setup. So in the entire functionality in the SAP system itself, we can control all the departments like finance, logistics, so like sales and distribution. Entirely, we can control the modules with the help of integration with the other module. Okay. First of all, I will tell you the navigation. This and all is the basic things for this and all for freshers. They need. So if you are new to SAP screen, I will tell you the basics. So how to log in that, if you go with user ID and password, and you need to give like everything. So what and all the buttons in the SAP screen you need to be keep it in mind. So like it is a command bar, application, standard bar, menu bar, so status bar. So these and all the basic topics you just keep in remember. Okay. What
Okay.
are the things? What are the things you need to be keep on update like that? So next, what is a T code? You know what is a T code?
No, sir.
T code is a transaction code. So
Okay.
so if you are getting to an SAP I think Karthi, you don't know what are the roles are in SAP right? So
No, sir.
first you keep, yeah. First of all, you know something about what are the roles in the market. So there
Okay.
are the different roles are there. So project manager will handle the entire project. So three different
Okay.
type of roles like SAP end user role is a first role, and
Okay.
SAP functional consultant role we are
Yeah.
the functional consultant, and
Okay.
technical consultant role. So three roles are there. So three roles in the job they will support all the functionalities. Okay.
Okay.
End user have a limited authorization. Okay, they
Yes.
will
Yes.
support only the limited T codes.
Yeah.
Based upon that, they will work. They will do a lot of activities. If you see in lot of MNCs, service-based company like TCS, Accenture, Infosys, they
Yeah.
have also have a end user setup of work. Also, they are doing, but
Okay.
they don't have more access. They have a limited access. Once what their requirement exactly. So, for example,
Okay.
if you see like for end user, they will have a like MM01, 02, XK01, XK02. So like that, the vendor setup is there, material setup is there. So that kind
Okay.
of T code only they can access, but they have a more work in that T code. The job will come based upon the ticketing tool. Based upon the ticketing base, they will support entire globally across globally like all over the world. They will do the support whichever the requirement based upon the tool requirement, based upon the issues, based upon the uploading the data, like that they will support in SAP
Yeah.
end user level. So coming back to the function consultant role, they will do the configuration, what and all the client requirements they will discuss in the project meeting. So they will do once the project is implemented, it's moved to the production. They will do some enhancement support. Enhancement support means there is some issue will come while doing some updates of something related to something the business scenarios. So based upon that, they will have some ticketing kind of tools. They will also work the issues, whichever the requirement based upon that. The SLA, you know SLA, right?
I have a little bit of idea, sir. So what is it? You just tell me.
So, so Suresh, you know what is SLA? உங்களுக்கு
I don't know,
தெரியும்
sir.
SLA பத்தி? SLA வந்து SLA is a kind of service level agreement. So in if you are working in the company base of like MNCs, they will have some KPI,
Yeah. Yeah.
key
Yeah.
performance, yeah, key performance indicator. So there will be a SLA. There is a turnaround time to complete the particular request. For normal request, they will fix like 3 days. So normal, medium, high, they will fix the levels of request. Okay, you just note it down. So this and all they will
Yeah.
ask in the interview point of view. Okay, normal level, medium level, and high level. So KPI, you just write it KPI. So based upon that KPI, they will see the metrics. So what are the metrics? What are the achievements we have done so far in this month? So like that they will discuss in the meeting. So this and all apart from the topic I am telling. Okay, you should know something about before entering into that. Okay, like medium, high, low, and high. That these are the priority based. So normally medium request will take 3 days, and normal request will take 3 days, and medium will 2, and high priority is a 1. This is called turnaround time. That is we call as TAT. TAT.
Okay.
Yes, I write it. So I am telling the entry point of view. Okay. So once you get a call from Infosys or TCS, you are putting some you are handled some projects. So what project you have worked so far? So what are the points on what you have strong in MM? Like that they will ask definitely. And what are the ticketing tool you work? What is the service SLA in that background? Once they ask like that means you should tell confidently like this is the scenario and these are the tickets we have handled. Like that you need to explain. Okay.
Yeah.
So T code is an like transaction code. Here I given like ME21 is an T code for purchase order. For raising
Yeah. Yeah.
purchase for create the purchase order, there is a standard T code is ME21N. Okay, and next slide is like there are if you go with SAP. So can you see my screen, SAP screen?
Yeah.
So there are the list of menus are there. Given what are the menus and how it will be work like that. So I get into that login. Okay. So I will log in into the system. So, so I already log in the system.
Okay.
So if you see like if you go if you the system will be show like some different type of menu in the top. Okay, if we can create and we can schedule, I can change everything we can do. I will show you in the screen menu, and
Yeah.
what is edit. In edit there will be a different section, and if we go with a favorite, there will be a different section. So we can insert a folder and insert a transaction. For example, if we discuss like ME21N. So if you
Okay.
put ME21N create means it will come into your favorites. So
Okay.
you no need to remember. You are doing frequently this T code means you can press this and it will go to the ME21 screen. So this is the
Okay.
create a purchase order. So like that we can create a favorites for the whichever the T codes we require. So this thing and all basic end user will do.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
are not user, okay, right? And
Yeah.
what is the favorites and what is the system and this and all. You just go in this 11th screen. See here, this is a save button and back button. This and all the basic functionalities. Everything about this. What is the icon one? What is the help? This and all the icons are there. Particular icons and this is the description for that icon. You just keep remember this. Okay, you save it means if you can give this is a save button. Okay, like that I given some icons are what are the you need to be refreshed. And coming to the third in slide, there is a transaction. If you go with here means you can see that ME21N. So it's a transaction and what is the database server name and what is the data entry mode like that. So if you go with the ME21N and you can see like different system client ID. What is the client ID and what is the username and what is the program and what is the transaction like that. These are all basics. You should learn about something if you go with it in this. Okay. So what happened? Hello, Suresh.
இல்ல சார் ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியல, மொபைல்ல யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கனால தெரியல.
Okay.
Hello.
Our Karthik is there, right? Karthik.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
I am, yes, I am.
இது சுரேஷ் நீங்க மொபைல் யூஸ் பண்றீங்களா?
ஆமா சார். அதான்.
ஏன் என்னாச்சு? லேப்டாப் என்னாச்சு? லேப்டாப்னா உங்களுக்கு கிளியரா தெரியும். யூ கேன் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் கிளியர்லி, ரைட்? ஸோ
எஸ் சார். பட்
நாளையிலேருந்து லேப்டாப்ல இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிடுங்க ஸ்கைப்பை.
ஓகே ஓகே சார்.
மொபைலில் வந்து ரொம்ப விசிபிளாக இருக்காது, சில ஸ்க்ரீன்ஸ்லாம் மறைஞ்சிரும்.
ஓகே.
ஓகேவா? நாளைக்கு நீங்கள் வந்து லேப்டாப்பில் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே.
ஓகே.
மொபைலில் வந்து சம்திங் சில டைமில் வந்து எல்லா கான்ஃபிகரேஷனும் கொடுத்துருக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ இஃப் யூ இன்ஸ்டால் இன் லேப்டாப் யூ கேன் கெட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ். ஸோ
ஓகே.
ஓகே, இந்த ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட்ஸ் இப்போ பிபிடிஸ்லாம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா?
தெரியுது சார்.
Okay. These are all the status bars are there, and you can go and refer it, and with the help of my PPTs you can find out what is transaction key and what is the user ID. While logging into that say SAP itself, it will ask like system client ID, user ID. What is the user we have right now? We are working on that. Like that they will ask. We can find out in the everything we can find out. So if we go with the T code, we can find lot of things is there. So what is the system, what is a client, and what is the user? I log in 21 user 105. Like that, you can find out it. Okay. Karthik, if you have any doubt, you can ask it at the end of session. Okay. And status bar. இங்க வந்து Karthik and Suresh, you just please listen it. Once the PO or something is created, the green indicator which shows the system, there is a no error at all. So the yellow indicator it marks like a warning message. Okay. There is a red indicator means the system should allow, it should create the mandatory values, whatever the thing we need. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Karthik.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Please make a mute from
Yeah,
your
I'm
side.
making it.
Okay. Suresh,
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
மியூட்ல போடுப்பா. சவுண்டா இருக்கு. மியூட்ல போடு. So once the finish session, you just we will discuss if you have any doubt. Okay. If you going with the 16th slide, if you have a yellow indicator, it will mark like what are the things you have warning message. Warning message, nothing issue. We can skip it and we can create without warning whatever maybe. It's nothing like a status message or warning message. No need to no need to worry about that for the warning message. So if you are getting like indicator like red color, so you need to give the mandatory values wherever the message is showing. For example, it's showing like enter the purchase organization. There are the message in the status bar, it's showing enter the purchase organization. Without enter the purchase organization you can't able to go the next level. Okay. Okay guys, these are all the basics navigation steps and all. Now we are going to the enterprise structure. Okay, so you guys know about what is the enterprise structure?
Yeah, yes, Karthik, I have basic idea of it. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, enterprise structure is nothing but like client, company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization, and purchasing group. So these are all the enterprise structure. So we will see like step by step. If you want, you can note it out. So if you note all those things, you can keep it remember. So for please do one thing, you put one note, in front side you write all those things, and back side you write it for the interview tips. So whichever give whichever that in between the steps I will tell you. Okay, you share it your notes for two sides. Okay, just write it. This is the enterprise structure. So how to define the client, company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization, and purchasing group. Once you finish, let me know. Okay, we will go to the next slide. Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so these are the levels are there. So what is a client and what is a company? So client is the topmost level in the SAP systems hierarchy. Client level data is valid for all levels in the organization. So client is so you just write it. What is a client given in that? What is client and what is company? Uh, Suresh, mute பண்ணு Suresh.
Okay.
So next sessionல வந்து சுரேஷ் ப்ளீஸ் இன்ஸ்டால் யுவர் ஸ்கைப் அண்ட் லேப்டாப். ஓகே, அதனால தான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து இஷ்யூ வருது.
Oh, okay.
Okay, client is on a top level in the system of an SAP system hierarchy. So is a client data is a valid for all levels in organization, all levels in the organization, and company is a legal entity which has an own loss, profit and loss balance sheet. Okay, I think you have read. Next screen is an what is a plant and what is storage location. So in entry point, they will ask like what is enterprise structure. You just tell it like the step by step. Okay, and if you ask something about in interview tips, you just tell what I have written in the PPT. Don't tell elaborately whatever they are asking. You just make it as think at the point what they are asking exactly. This is if they are asking what is a plant means, it's just tell like it's a manufacturing activity take place from one place to another place. Is the whole it activity like in a whole organization unit. Okay, like that you shorten crispy. Please explain your interview. So storage location is a physical place within the plant where all the materials stocks are kept. So storage location is an the thing the material will be kept stored. If you once we read the requirement of raw materials, they will take it from the storage location and do the manufacturing activity. So we can tell like materials are kept stored in the plant inside the plant. This is called storage locations. And the purchase organization and purchasing group. So the entry point, you just make a note. What is the difference between purchase organization and purchasing group? The most of the interview they will ask. You just write it. A purchase organization is nothing but an internal and external procurement activity. All the entire procurement thing, for example, the entire activity from internally in our company or external from vendor, the entire thing, the purchase organization activity will be work. While coming to the purchasing group, the certain group of people, a certain group of people responsible for procuring the activity in the purchase organization. For example, I have worked in the oil and gas domain. Okay, so for example, if you like electrical, mechanical, and instrumentation, different oriented items are there. So if you see like for electrical is a circuit breaker, fuse, switch, this and all will come under the electrical components. So if you go like mechanical, like a pump, turbine, like that, it will go to the different related to the mechanical. If we go with instrumentation, like a transmitter, differential pressure transmitter, pressure gauge, it will come under the instrumentation department. So like a material group, we can say like a group of people particular for that procuring the activity in the purchase organization. Particular people will take care of that responsibility in the plant. Okay, that is a thing for the purchasing group is there. Okay, you just make a note it. This two thing is very important for the interview. They will ask most interview. They will ask basic freshers. They will ask. Have you done it? So now we are going how to define an assignment the enterprise structure. Okay, guys. You just unmute your mic.
Yeah.
So in the
Yes, bro.
definition and assignment, what you have going to do? So right now we discussed what are the company client, company storage location, and purchase organization. These and all the main thing. Now we are going to define the company in SAP. Okay,
Okay.
and how to assign the what and all thing we are going to define, and we are going to assign it.
Got it. Got it. ಮಳಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸದೆ ನೀವ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾರ
Karthik. Karthik and Suresh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, both are there, right? Hello.
Sir, நான் இருக்கேன் சார். கார்த்திக் தெரியல. I don't know. He is
Karthik,
not available.
Karthik, you are available or not? சுரேஷ் உங்க சைடுல என்ன பேக்ரவுண்ட்ல மியூசிக்?
இல்ல சார், எதுவுமே இல்லை. ஃபேன் கூட ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
உங்க
So what's the issue, Ram? We're having
so
connection.
I'm asking you are in the line or not? So I think you are not in the line. So why I'm இது வந்து சுரேஷ் உங்க சைடுல நிறைய பேக்ரவுண்ட் நாய்ஸஸ் கம்மிங் சுரேஷ். யூ ப்ளீஸ் செக் இட். ஸோ எங்க இருந்து வருதுன்னு பாருங்க. உங்க ஃபோன் பக்கத்துல வந்து எதுவும் வைக்காதீங்க. வேற ஏதாவது
ஓகே.
டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ், ஏதாவது மைக் பக்கத்துல ஏதாவது இருந்ததுன்னா இட் வில் கெட் சவுண்ட் லைக் தட். அதனால என்ன
சரி,
ஆகும்னா
ஓகே.
யூ ஆர் ஸ்டார்ட் ரெக்கார்டிங் ஆல்சோ. ஈவன் ரெக்கார்டிங்ல கூட உங்களுக்கு இஷ்யூ வரும். அந்த ரெக்கார்டிங் ஆஃப் பண்ணுங்களேன்.
சரி, ஓகே.
If you want, I will record it and